So hello guys, and today I will show you how to get Umbra. So this unit. So Umbra is a true damage and his secondary attack is Dark Element. So to get Umbra, it's very simple but it will take a while since you will need to have a lot of time and a lot of runs to get Umbra. Or if you are lucky enough, you can get it in your first few runs. So to get this, just head into the play. And here you can get Umbra in Halloween event. So this is a really hard event, and even myself I don't know if I can solo this event. So just go in, you can click find match here and you will be teleported to a random players. But take note that some of these players are just leechers or they are AFK whole event. So it's better to find parties in the Discord. So I will show you how I do this Halloween event. I will just have to find a party first. So I just looked for a party on Discord because it's much easier to finish the Halloween event with party. And I'm not confident enough to solo this event. So I think we will just wait for more people here to get started. So let's go. So I will farm first. So to increase your chances to get Umbra, just pick the buffs that have more additional secret percent. But don't pick the random debuffs because I think that is bugged. So now let's place our aims and max our farms. Now that we maxed our farms, we will just upgrade aids to his max upgrade. And now that he is maxed, we can just place our remaining units for extra help on dealing damage. Oh, and by the way, you can see the reward boost and secret unit boost. So in order to get that to 100% like I do, just bring the Halloween event units like Dead Ninja or Hidan, Gas, and Fiend Girl. And of course Umbra and Alucard too. Each of the Halloween event units gives 40% boost when you bought them in the event. So I bought 3 of them, so I have 120%. But I think that doesn't count since the max cap on units is 100%. You can also use skins that you got from the Halloween event, like this Guts mythical skin. I think this one gives 40% too if you bring them since it's a mythical skin. I think if it's a legendary skin, it will give 20%. So now I will just time lapse this until wave 50. So let's see if we can get Umbra here. And nothing as expected. I grinded like 50 runs on my normal Umbra and like 100 plus on my shiny. So let's buy and open some of Spooky Stars and see if we can get lucky. The only unit that I don't have is gas. On opening these Spooky Stars, there is also a chance that you get secret unit here which is Alucard. So now let's showcase Umbra. So this is his cosmetic on normal Umbra. And this is his shiny cosmetic on shiny Umbra. So Umbra on placement, he deals 26,000 damage at level 94 and his trait is superior to. So let's upgrade him. So second move is the Shadow Strike. Wow. So at second move, he deals 100k damage already. So let's upgrade him a little bit more. And on upgrade 5, nuclear cell. And this is his AoE. So on upgrade 5, he can now hit air units or air enemies. So he becomes hybrid on upgrade 5. And let's max him. So at max, he deals 437,000 damage with 9.3 SPA and 38 range. And that is on level 94 and with superior to trait. So now let's try buffing him with Griffin. You can't buff him with normal buffer units because he is a true damage unit. So we will do Griffin. So without Griffin buff, he deals 437k damage. So now, he deals 874,000. So it doubled with the Griffin buff. So he is a worth it unit to get because he is a hybrid unit at a certain upgrade. So I would recommend to grind for him while the Halloween event is still active.